Meet Spark. Small, colorful, smart. A powerful flying camera that you can take anywhere. It's so clever, it activates by recognizing you. Just launch it from the palm of your hand. It even returns when you call it. And land like this. Easy. Can't get everyone in the shot? No problem. Watch as it hovers precisely in place, always at your command. Control it with your hands, remote controller, mobile device, or DJI goggles. Using GPS, Spark knows where it is, even if you don't. It'll even sense obstacles to avoid things in front of it and come home safely. Think you got smooth moves? Spark's footage is smoother. It takes the shake out of your shot, so you look like a pro. Not feeling the control sticks? Perform preset flight maneuvers with a single click and get those epic shots. Here's a way to stand out from the crowd. Spark automatically adds shallow depth of field to your photos. If you don't know how to fly, just tap fly. Let's see if you can handle sport mode. Spark keeps you in the frame, so all you need to do is act naturally. Edit your epic videos and share them instantly. Spark your aerial creativity anywhere. All you need to do is seize the moment.
ANAFI is a flying camera that contains cutting-edge photography software and hardware. An integrated camera uses a latest generation sensor for spectacular 4K HDR videos and 21 megapixel photos. HDR adds a far more dynamic range to the image. It's ideal for filming a sunset or a bright blue sky with exposed backdrops. ANAFI is the only drone on the market able to do this. It's a camera capable of taking unique photos and videos that just aren't possible with any other drone in the same category. The camera tilts from -90 to +90 degrees vertically and takes shots from all angles. The camera is equipped with a wide-angle lens featuring a 110-degree diagonal field of view. The optic was specifically designed to limit lens flare in all lighting conditions.
We integrated an up to 2 times lossless digital zoom and an up to 3 times standard digital zoom. The zoom led us to create a brand new smart drone called Dolly Zoom, better known as the famous vertigo effect.
This is Skydio R1. These guys would tell you that it's a fully autonomous flying camera that's built around the most advanced tracking and navigation system ever flown, using the power of artificial intelligence to see the world through 13 cameras, ultra-precise visual tracking, deep neural networks to map and understand the world around it, a prediction system that looks 4 seconds into the future to determine its trajectory, and a continually expanding set of software-defined cinematic skills. But to put it simply, R1 is a drone that flies itself so that you can get awesome 4K footage of the cool stuff that you like to do, without having to worry about hitting obstacles or crashing or, you know, flying it at all. Yeah, did we mention that it's a flying robot? R1 puts people at the center of the story, and because you don't need a pilot, you can focus on you and your adventures. Here's how easy it is to use R1. Open the Skydio app on your phone, swipe up to launch it, tell R1 who or what you want it to follow, and you're off. Your flying robot buddy up there will capture your world in 4K and not run into stuff while it does it. R1 follows you on its own, but you can tell it to capture different types of shots on the fly from the app, like droney, boomerang, and rocket, just to name a few. Or if you want a little more creative control of your epic footage, you can do things like set up a virtual cable cam for that cool reveal shot you had in mind. Yeah, that one looks about right. All of these skills and shots are accessible in a few taps on your phone, or even your Apple Watch. So yeah, that's the Skydio R1, an obstacle-avoiding, self-flying, 4K capturing, AI-powered robot companion of the future. From capturing your family bike ride to off-roading with friends to taking your vacation selfies up quite a few notches. Todd, we get it. Your vacation was more awesome than ours. R1 uses some incredible technology to help you make incredible memories easily. With R1 and the Skydio app, you've just upped your video making game by, well, a bunch. You can film it yourself and even export and share it right from the app, presumably with all of your non-robot friends.